Hi, my name is Lauren and today I'm here to discuss how to make your hair get lighter. Two ways that you can actually lighten up your hair. Most effective way is through highlighting. In highlighting, what you would want to do is grab one of those home hair lighting kits, and actually they will give you a brush in order to apply it with, and they will also give you the product that you're going to be using. You are going to simply paint them on. So you are going to grab a section that you would like for the color to be lighter, and you are going to use your brush and paint from root to end that strand of hair. You are then just going to simply release it. Don't push it down, don't do anything like that, because then you're going to get the hairs underneath, which may cause striping or spotting. So you're simply going to lift it, paint it on, root to end, and then release it and just let it fall naturally amongst the rest of the hair. You can go around and put it wherever you'd like a lighter piece. Again, these home hair lighting kits you can find in any drugstore. So you're going to go through and paint everything on. If you're looking for more of a natural way in order to lighten your hair, you can use the sun as a lightening agent. One really great way to do that is to actually spray lemon juice in your hair and then go out and sit in the sun. We avoid wearing a cap. It may be a little bit drying because the sun will do that. So use extra moisturizer so that way your hair won't dry out from the high sun activity. And other than that, that is how you can lighten your hair.